Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Kia Sorento's rear windshield wiper. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new wiper blade, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off for safety. It's important to have the correct 12-inch replacement blade for your Sorento to ensure a proper fit and effective wipe. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful, as the arm is spring-loaded and can snap back. Next, look for a small plastic clip or tab where the blade connects to the arm. Press this clip down or push it up, depending on your model, and then slide the old blade backward, away from the arm's hook. It should detach with a firm but gentle pull. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm, pushing it forward until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Double-check that the blade is fully seated and lies parallel with the wiper arm for optimal performance. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield. Avoid letting it snap against the glass, as this could cause damage. Turn your vehicle's ignition on and test the new wiper blade to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the window effectively. Regular inspection helps maintain clear visibility. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.